Hi you guys, I'm glad you made it back. But if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you to my GMC Do-It-Yourself Repair channel. In my channel here, you'll see I have tons of videos that I'm sure that I have something in here that'll interest you. It doesn't take a lot of experience or knowledge and doesn't take a lot of tools. And one thing for sure, you're going to save tons of money. So before you go to a mechanic or the dealership, click on the upper right hand corner there and explore my channel. I'm sure I have something in there that's going to save you some money. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This really helps my channel. And by the way, hit that bell and leave a comment. And believe it or not, if you leave a comment, I respond back to you. Great, I'm glad you made it back. Well, do you have a bad or a damaged headlight switch? Or the lights on your switch don't come on at night when you're driving? Well, on mine, it seems like they work okay, but I didn't realize that these lights come on. And at night, it's kind of hard to figure out what your switch is doing at nighttime if the lights don't come on. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace this switch. This should work on a 99 to a 2006 Yukon Suburban Silverado Escalade and a Tahoe. So this should work on all those vehicles. Anyway, let's get to work. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to order the part. And here's one here that I found on eBay for about 23 bucks. And they offered free shipping, and it was here in the United States, so I could make sure that it came here pretty quick. There are more expensive ones and there are cheaper ones, so I kind of priced mine in the middle. So it's up to you how much you want to spend on this switch. Once I ordered it, the part came in about, I believe it was 8 business days. And this is the box that it came in. So let's open it up and see what we got inside here. Well, here it is. Wow, I can't believe how new this thing looks. Well, there's the plug that goes in the back. Wow, what a difference. You can see a side-by-side comparison here. The lighting right now kind of sucks, but trust me, the whites are whiter, and the new one is a lot blacker than the old one. Plus, as you can see, my old one has some chips and stuff. This is definitely going to look better. It's going to look really nice at night when the lights come on. Well, let's get this thing installed. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is put your parking brake on, then put your key on and turn your key on. Then what you're going to do is you're going to move your steering wheel all the way down. Once you have it all the way down, move your shifter all the way down to low so your shifter's out of the way. Now you're ready to remove the plastic instrument cover. Now to remove this cover, you're going to pull from the top. It just snaps in. Just gently grab it and pull it towards you. Pull the top first, then once you have the top pulled out, then work the bottom out. As you're working it out, move upwards and the cover should slide right out. It's pretty easy to remove, so don't get intimidated. There you go. Just pull it and set it aside. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take a small flat screwdriver. We're going to insert the screwdriver in between the light switch and the plastic tab on the bottom and move the plastic tab downward. At the same time, grab the box and move it outward. You'll feel it unclip. It's pretty easy. Once you got that done, do the top one. Doesn't take much effort. You're going to place the screwdriver in between and move the outer box tab upward and you'll feel it come out. There you go. Just slide it out. Now what we're going to do is take the screwdriver and we're going to push this tab in. At the same time, move it slightly upward. You can see there how it unplugs. Now we can unplug it. Now let's get the new switch and install the plug. Plug it in until it snaps in. Now we can install the new switch. As we move it in position, make sure the wires behind it are out of the way. Just push it in and you'll hear it click in. Once it's snapped in, you're good to go. Wow, look at the difference between the new one and the old one. Okay, now we can put on our dash cover. Installing this dash cover is really easy. All we're going to do is do the same thing when we took it off, just do it the opposite. So we're going to work the bottom first. Once you got the bottom in position, maneuver the top into position. Don't snap anything in yet. Once you have it all aligned up with the holes, go ahead and start pushing back. You'll hear the clips snap in. Once you've got them all snapped in, you're all done. Put your gear in park, take your keys out, adjust your steering wheel if you want, and you're all done. See how easy that was? Wow, that was pretty easy to do. I wish I would have did this a long time ago. You can see how bad my fog light switch is. I know you can't tell because of the lighting, but it looks pretty bad compared to the new switch. Well, stay tuned. That's going to be the next video, I guess. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!